All I need to do is make sure you've got a driving licence and insurance.
Well, I'm not going to show you that because
confirms,
I ain't committed a crime.
Right, then you go to a police station and we'll deal with it there. Right, under the Road Traffic Act...
What am I being arrested for?
Right, you're under Section 25 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act. I can't confirm that you...
For what? What have I done?
I can't confirm that you have got a driving licence and insurance to drive this vehicle.
Why can't you?
Because you won't give me your name. So without...
The encounter begins with a police officer stopping a driver, alleging they were speeding, yet refusing to provide evidence of a crime. Under Section 163 of the Road Traffic Act 1988, a person driving a mechanically propelled vehicle on a road must stop on being required to do so by a constable in uniform. This grants officers the authority to stop vehicles, but the interaction quickly escalates as the officer demands personal details without clear justification. The driver, asserting their rights, questions the stop's legality, pointing out they haven't committed a crime. The officer's insistence on identification, despite no clear offense, raises questions about whether this stop was a legitimate exercise of power or an overreach. The lack of transparency, refusing to confirm the alleged speed or provide evidence, suggests a potential abuse of authority, where the officer leans on the broad powers of the Road Traffic Act to intimidate rather than enforce.
Hi, mate. Engine off for us, mate. Sorry, I'll be recording you as well, fella.
It's alright, mate.
Right, your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name?
What's up? What for?
Because I need to speak to you about the speed at which you were travelling down that road at, mate.
What speed was that?
Well, I don't know, but it was well in excess of the speed limit.
It was 30.
Well, it wasn't, because had you been travelling at 30, out of all the other cars that have passed tonight that are legitimately travelling at the speed limit, yours is the only one that's caused my attention due to the speed in which it was travelling at. Okay, so I need to confirm who you are. So I need your details, because you're driving a motor vehicle on a road, which gives me a power to stop you, to check you are who you say you are, and you are insured and registered to drive this vehicle. Okay?
Can I ask what crime I've committed, please?
You don't need to have committed a crime.
Are you going to introduce yourself first, or?
Yeah, I'm Sergeant Martin Toombs, 2515 from Nottinghamshire Police's Tactical Support Group.
Yep.
Okay. You don't have to have committed a crime. You are driving a motor vehicle on a road.
So am I under arrest?
No.
Am I being detained?
No.
So I'm free to leave?
No, you're not free to leave at the moment. You're not under arrest, okay? But you're not going anywhere at the moment until you provide your details, because at the moment I need to clarify who you are. The Road Traffic Act gives me a power to stop any motor vehicle on the road, to stop and make sure that it's insured.
What if I told you that I'm not insured?
Then I deal with you.
I'm not. What if I was not involved in that corporation?
What do you mean not involved in that corporation? To
have a driving licence or to be insured is to be employed. This is my private conveyance. I'm travelling at free will.
What on earth are you going on about? The Road Traffic Act in England.
Have I committed a crime?
The Road Traffic Act states
that to drive a motor vehicle on a road. 2515. What crime have I committed, please?
I haven't said you've committed a crime.
So what are you stopping for?
Because you have been stopped because you are driving a motor vehicle.
Have you got proof?
On a road. Yeah. You're on my dash cam, driving this vehicle.
Right, get the speed limit up. I was on 30 miles an hour.
Right.
I don't break the law for no reason.
The reason I've had cause to stop and speak to you is because, in my opinion, you are travelling in excess of the speed limit. Okay? The fact that I've stopped you is irrelevant.
Can I have your details, please? Because you're walking around my car unidentified. I don't know who you are.
Of
course it does.
You're dealing with me and I've identified
What's your number,
myself.
mate? What's your number?
Mine, 3825.
PC who?
Basper.
Alright. And you're all under oath today, aren't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Which oath?
Hey?
Which oath?
We swear an oath to the Queen. Okay.
Yeah, which oath?
The oath.
Which oath are you under today?
The oath that we swore.
Which oath are you under today?
It's the oath that we swore to the Queen.
Okay.
And I'm not.
And you're all under the same oath.
No,
yeah?
I can't repeat it to you because I read it out on a piece of paper.
So you can't remember it?
I can't repeat the exact wording of the oath. No, I read it out on a piece of paper 21 years ago.
Am I being detained?
Yes, until you give me your name and address.
I've not committed a crime.
You don't have to. You are committing an offence under the Road Traffic Act.
I've not committed a crime.
You are committing an offence under the Road Traffic Act by not providing your name and details. So at the moment,
what crime?
At the moment, I cannot confirm.
Mate. There's no victim.
I can't confirm that you are insured to drive this vehicle.
Go check it then, mate.
I need to know who you are to see if you're the person that's named on the insurance.
Please.
Say again.
Don't damage my private conveyance.
I didn't damage your private conveyance.
Yes, you did. You're on camera. It made a sound. Don't touch the glass. Don't touch me. Fucking. Can you get off your? Can you get off?
Don't swear at me.
Can you get off my vehicle, please?
Don't swear at me.
Thank you. Well,
you just swore
You've
at
blocked me in, and
Yes,
you've
I
just
have.
told me. Let me speak. You've just told me I've not committed a crime. There's no proof I was doing 30 mile an hour or more. I was doing 30 on the dot.
Right, but you're
I
losing.
seen you turn around.
You're losing track.
Are
of
you
the
bored?
point.
Must
You're
be bored,
losing
aren't you?
track of
The lot of you.
The
What's
law
your number,
states-
Doc?
The law states.
3267.
The law states that I have a power
I
to
don't
stop
stand under your
any-
law, mate.
that any of it
I
motor
don't stand
vehicle-
under your law.
Right.
I do not understand.
If you cannot
I do not
prove
understand.
that you are
I
sure
do not
insured
understand.
to drive this
That's
vehicle,
it. Go and check
Right.
it. It's your job, mate, not mine.
right? But I need
You're
to
gonna
know
give me
who
your
you are.
paycheck.
I need to know who you are.
You know, my food's getting cold, mate.
Swearing.
Right.
Well, you're
I
pissing
need-
me
I
off.
need to know who
You've
you are.
boxed me in like I'm some sort of drug dealer.
Right. I need to know who you are to make sure that if
Have
your
I
name.
committed a crime?
Right. I don't
And
know.
then
at the
which
moment.
crime is it?
I don't know at the moment. You
Well-
could be driving otherwise than in accordance with the driving licence. You could be driving without insurance. So until I can confirm that, you aren't going anywhere.
No.
So all you need to do is give me your name.
No.
Right, then I've no options but to arrest you and take you to a police
For
station.
what?
Because I can't confirm that you're insured to drive
Check
this motor
the plate,
vehicle.
mate. Come on, do your job.
When I check the
You're
plate,
going viral, you know.
that's great.
You're
when I
making a
check,
fool out of yourself.
No, I'm not. You're the
You
one
are.
that's going to be making a fool
Am I
out of
being
themselves.
detained?
Yes, you are.
Under what law?
Right, under the Road Traffic Act. All right, that gives me a power to stop any motor vehicle that's being driven on a road to make sure that the driver
I'm
has got a
travelling
driving licence.
under my free will.
Right, no.
I'm travelling.
That doesn't carry any weight. The law states
course it doesn't, mate.
that you have a driving licence.
you gonna check the car, see if it's
the
insured
law
or not?
states, well, yeah, but
Are you gonna check it?
But I still can't confirm.
Well, what are you
that's
doing here
without
for
your
then?
name and
Hey?
address.
What are you doing here?
Because we need to know who you are.
Back up.
Hey?
Back up.
What?
Are you back up?
No, I've just drove along here and I've seen.
So what you boxed me in for then if I wasn't detained? You told me that you
Because-
first wasn't detained. Don't delete them two.
Right, mate,
Can I speak?
I
Don't
can't
delete them
delete
two.
this.
Don't
I can't delete
Don't
this.
delete them two
Right.
things because I'm going to harness them. I want them.
I
I want
can't
them as
delete
proof.
this. Right.
Of course you can.
No, I
You've
can't.
asked me a question, you
It
want
gets
the
docked
answer?
onto a system.
Right, okay. The reason why I boxed you in is because I've stopped,
Just run
I've
it
pulled
through for
next
me.
to you, and you've been argumentative with my sergeant. The car
Because
is
my
still-
food's
listen-
getting cold
Listen to me.
and I want to go. I'm not
Listen to
being
me. I'm
detained.
giving you an answer. The engine was still running, okay?
Yeah.
I do not want you driving off and dragging my sergeant down the road. So the best way to prevent that is putting my car.
He's got his gear on. He's got his skull and crossbone thing. He's got
Well,
his muscle as fuck.
that doesn't stop you getting killed, does it?
It must be hard, eh?
Not at all.
So that's the
It's got
reason why
nothing to
I
do with
boxed
being
you in.
hard.
Alright, so you're assuming, are you?
No, I'm
Right.
preventing.
I've not committed a crime, mate, and
Right.
you boxed me in like I'm some
Chap.
sort of criminal.
We do it
Chap.
to everyone.
Look,
Talk to me,
I
talk to me for a second.
know you're just disheartened
Right.
and fidgety.
I'm
Keep
not.
clicking your pen.
I'm not. I'm just bored.
I'm not. I haven't committed
Right.
a crime. Well,
I'm-
go and
I'm-
do a fucking job then.
No, don't swear at me.
I've got my food.
Right, and you can go home and eat it while it's warm. But all I need to do is confirm.
Well, I
that
would
you've
if
got a
you backed
driving-
up and you put your lights off like a goon.
Not until
Like-
I confirm you've got a driving licence and
Look at it, it's like a
insurance.
theatre out here.
Well, who's making a scene? Not us.
You, mate, with your flashing lights
Not
and your
us.
clicky pen.
Not us. All I need to do is make sure you've got a driving licence and insurance.
Well, I'm not
and
going
if
to show you
and if
that
that
because
confirms,
I ain't committed a crime.
right, then you go to a police station and we
Under
deal
what
with it
law?
there. Right, under the Road Traffic
What
Act.
am I being arrested for?
Right, you're under Section 25 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act. I can't confirm that you.
For what?
I
What have I
can't
done?
confirm that you have got a driving licence and insurance
Why
to drive
can't you?
this vehicle.
Why can't you?
Because you won't give me your name. So
I
without
don't need
your
to
name,
give you my name.
well, you do to confirm
I haven't
who
committed
you
a
are.
crime.
You're driving a motor vehicle on the road.
Listen,
we
mate,
could
we're
go
going
round
around in
and round
circles
in
here.
circles.
Check
So
the
unless
plate.
you tell me
Check the
who
plate.
you are,
Check the plate.
then you'll be going to a police station.
No, what?
Then you'll be going to a police station.
Check
It's
the
that
plate,
simple.
mate. I'm bored.
Well, mate, we're not going anywhere. So you're worried about your food. I'm not worried about your food. All right, but I would like you to go home and eat it whilst it's warm.
What voltage are they?
All right, 50,000.
What wattage?
I don't know. It just tells me it's got 50,000 volts.
Yeah, whatever it is.
I don't know what it is.
25 minutes. Has that been counting? No, that's not the right time.
I don't
is
know.
it?
No, that's my collar number that you asked me for.
Oh,
It's the
sorry.
same as the one
How
on my
long have I been
shoulder.
recording for now then?
Since I stopped you. Probably the same as your phone has.
I know you have to keep your car on, don't you? Because all the electric inside it goes flat because the battery don't keep it going.
No, there's a leisure battery on it, so there's two batteries
Yeah, but
on
it's
it.
running now,
got a
isn't
backup. Yeah?
You normally don't switch them off because it goes flat and it resets all the computers, doesn't it?
What's that got to do with anything?
Just giving you some knowledge that I know.
I don't need any knowledge, thank
You're
you.
giving me knowledge I don't need to know, so I'm giving you knowledge that you didn't need to know.
That's absolutely fine. But unless you tell me who you are, you will be arrested. Under Section 25 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act,
Why do
because
we
I
need
can't
to?
confirm who
You can't
are.
arrest someone for not giving you the name.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
I can, because you're not. I need to confirm. I can't confirm that you are licensed and insured to drive this
Well,
motor vehicle.
why don't you
on
check the
road.
plate first and see who's it's registered to, and then I'll give you my name. Just so you know the car's insured, and then I'll show you my name. Even though I've got nothing on me.
Well, so how do I confirm who you are?
Well, follow me home and we'll see.
No, because you're not driving.
Follow me home. Follow me home. I live round the corner.
Right.
I've got my driving license. I've got nothing on me.
Right.
Nothing. I've got no driving license,
Have you
nothing.
ever been arrested with a...
No.
Have you ever been arrested before?
No.
Right.
As the situation unfolds, the officer declares the driver is not free to leave, but not under arrest, creating a confusing limbo. Section 24 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, 1984 states, a constable may arrest without a warrant anyone who is about to commit an offense or whom he has reasonable grounds for suspecting to be about to commit an offense. Here, the officer's refusal to clarify a specific offense while detaining the driver muddies the legal waters. The driver repeatedly asks, "What crime have I committed?" and receives vague responses about needing to verify insurance and licensing. This tactic, detaining someone without formal arrest or clear evidence, can feel like coercion, especially when the officer threatens arrest under PACE for not providing a name. Such actions blur the line between lawful policing and harassment, particularly when the driver's assertion of traveling under free will is dismissed without engagement.
You're making this completely
You're blocking the road.
aren't
You're
you?
making a fool of yourself.
You're
making it look like a
this
theatre.
something that it doesn't need to
You're
be.
going around in circles. I've not committed a crime. You first said I wasn't detained, which we both got that on record.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you said I was detained. So how can I have committed a crime since I've been sat here?
You asked if you
It's
asked
silly,
what,
don't you think?
what speed you were doing, and I don't know. That just
Well, then
gives me-
why have you stopped me for?
The fact, because I think you were doing more than what the speed limit was.
Well,
for
can
the
you
road.
prove that?
No,
Well, then what you stopped me for then?
because I've got a power to under law.
I'm telling you, under God's gift, right, I was doing 30 miles an hour.
Well, that's your opinion. My opinion's different.
But I was doing 60.
But nevertheless, I've still got a power to stop
Back
you.
insured.
I've still got a power to stop you to make sure that you've got a driving licence and you're insured to drive this vehicle. So you could have been on your way eating your snap at home now.
You could have checked it now, couldn't you?
That's simple, isn't it? But the fact that the car, it might tell me that the car's got insurance, I still can't confirm whether that's
But
you
it'll tell
or
you
the
who it's
insurance.
registered to, won't it?
Yeah.
Right
Yeah,
then.
but we need your name, don't we?
Not first. I haven't committed a crime, mate. I don't need to give you
Wow.
anything. I'm not contracting with you. I don't contract with you.
You
I don't contract with your corporation. I know you don't understand.
I don't understand what
I know
that
you don't
means. I don't
understand.
contract
I know you
with
don't
you.
understand.
I think you just like attention.
No, you
Alright,
do with your flashing lights, mate, and your clicky pen.
You want to stand here making this into something that it's not. But
When was the last time you used
I
that?
can stand here as
When
long
was
as
the
you
last time
need
you
me
used
to.
that?
No matter, does it?
What? I don't know what my conversation. When was the last time you used it?
What?
Taser.
I think I've used it 3 times in 16 years.
Have you had it done to yourself?
No,
No.
because
I thought it was for training. I thought it was for training purposes.
no. Right, are you Tommy? Are you?
I am.
Right. Have you got anything with your name on?
No.
They're just checking the niche.
Failing that, if they've got access to DVLA, if he's got a driving licence, they'll be able to send us a picture.
Have you got a driving licence, Tommy?
Right.
Yeah. A full
We just
one.
need
Simple
we just
approved
need
now.
him to get a photograph
Full
of
one.
his driving licence and email it to one of us then.
I don't do email.
So again,
I don't do email.
I'm not asking him to email it to you, I'm asking him to email it to us.
Oh.
How long you been recording for now?
11 minutes.
11 minutes. You could have been halfway down your pizza by now.
Listen, mate. You're the joy of my night.
Pizza's quite nice, isn't it? It's nicer than warm pizza sometimes.
Shut up. You make me laugh. All of you. Say cheese. Say cheese.
Don't like cheese.
I'll do that. Looks like you do. You look well with the blue flashing lights behind you.
My colour.
Is it?
My favourite colour, blue.
I kind of know it is, yeah. Let's put a camera up. It's cool, isn't it? It goes really wide.
It's what?
It goes really wide. Watch, and zooms in. Whee.
Lovely, that, isn't it? Is that new, is it?
Hey.
For the email in, mate.
You know, for there to be a crime, there has to be a victim.
How does that?
Well, you tell me, you're a police officer, you know the law.
Right, we're not saying you've committed a crime.
So why am I being stopped for?
What I've said is, I don't know how many times I've said it. I know
Honestly.
I've said it a lot because I was here when I said it. All right, you are driving a motor vehicle on a road.
Private conveyance.
It is a motor vehicle.
It's a private
in the
conveyance.
eyes of the law, it is a motor
It's
vehicle.
not in the eyes of the law, is it? Because I'm not.
Yes, it
I
is.
don't register with them.
The definition of a motor vehicle, okay?
Yeah.
It's got an engine.
Is
it's got
employed.
steering.
Employed. You have to be employed. Honestly, research it. When you go home in your free time, please research
honestly,
it.
I've got better things to do.
Yeah, I
in my
know
free
you have.
time.
I know you have. Probably
honestly,
like to watch football. Probably drink a bit of beer.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
rugby actually.
Well,
'cause I
rugby.
prefer rugby to football.
I'll take me after that. Rugby's better than football.
But nevertheless, I didn't say. I've never at any point said you've committed a crime.
So what am I being stopped for then?
Right.
You're going around in circles, mate. You're trying to back yourself
I'll
out.
repeat myself again.
Am I
You
still
are
being detained at the
driving-
minute?
You are driving.
Am I still being
until
detained
we
at the minute?
confirm that you've got a driving licence, yes.
All right. Under what section?
Under the Road Traffic Act.
And what traffic act? But the law have I broken? If I'm travelling at my free will?
Listen, you are driving a motor vehicle on a road.
Private conveyance.
Right. This is a road.
This is my private
This
conveyance. I'm
tarmac
travelling
bit
at free will.
Is a road.
I'm exercising
okay?
my rights. It's a I'm travelling.
I have a power to make sure that you have a driving licence and you are insured. Okay. Now we know that the vehicle has got insurance. We're just trying to work out whether you've got a driving licence.
Happy days.
Okay. And if you have,
Well, if it's insured, then why would I not be driving without a licence?
well, lots of people insure vehicles that don't have driving
That's a bit
licences.
silly, isn't it?
Well, it is a bit silly, isn't it? But nevertheless,
That's the person on me, and yeah, you can confirm it.
yeah. Right.
Is it me?
Dead simple, that Tommy. Isn't
Is it me?
And all you've just done is waste nearly 15
Go on then,
minutes
back
of
up.
your life.
See you later.
Okay.
Am I free to go now?
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get back in my car and I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of my day, and I
Yeah.
hope you enjoy your pizza.
Yeah,
and
I
it's
hope
still
you
warm.
research what a private conveyance is, and I'm travelling under free will. See ya.
I'm not going to research that.
Have a good.
The officer's behavior escalates further with references to a taser and boxing in the driver's vehicle, creating an intimidating atmosphere. The Road Traffic Act 1988 and PACE do not authorize the use of force or threats unless there's a clear risk or offense, with Section 3 of the Criminal Law Act 1967 allowing such force as is reasonable in the circumstances in the prevention of crime. The officer's casual mention of a 50,000-volt taser and physical positioning of the police vehicle to block the driver's car seem disproportionate to a routine stop. The driver, frustrated, points out their food is getting cold and no crime has been proven. Yet the officer persists, mocking their concerns. This suggests a power imbalance where the officer leverages their authority and equipment to pressure compliance rather than uphold the law, casting doubt on the integrity of the interaction. The driver, after refusing to provide details and challenging the officer's authority, was allowed to leave without arrest or charges, highlighting the officer's overreach and lack of evidence for the stop. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.